Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I will be demonstrating on how to view the details view page of a particular leave request that has been raised and also how to withdraw a leave request once it has been created or even it has been approved. First, once any leave has been approved, the same approval will be reflected within the timesheet application based upon the type of leave that has been created. And now, the details view page of a particular leave request that has been raised can simply be viewed by clicking on this request type button. And here, the provision to withdraw the leave request has also been provided. The withdraw request button is to be clicked, and once the cancel request button is clicked, the status will be changed to withdrawn. This action can also be done even if the leave has been approved by the manager. Once the reason has been provided, based upon the company policy, the approval can be withdrawn or not. Thank you for watching.